Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You pick the GPS and comms hardware because the rest depends on those choices. First, insert a data SIM and enable 2G/3G/LTE depending on your modem. Next, wire the GPS TX to the MCU RX and GPS RX to MCU TX. Make sure grounds are common. Power the system with a regulated supply and attach the antenna for a clear sky view. Once done, open a serial monitor at 9600 or module default baud to see incoming NME sentences and confirm the module is alive. You now write the code that turns raw NME into useful location packets because readable data is what you will transmit. Use a tested parser library to extract lat, lon, altitude, and HSTOP. Then build a compact payload, for example, 37, 4215 - 122. 0850 14 3 2025-11-25 T12 3456C. Next, initialize your GSM modem, attach PDP context, and open a TCP or MQTT connection. Send the packet with a small checksum, wait for an acknowledgement, and implement exponential backoff retries to handle temporary network drops. You finish by securing the electronics into an enclosure because robustness matters in the field. Make sure the antenna faces the sky and that the SIM card has data and correct APN settings. Implement a power plan, wake GPS only when needed, deep sleep the MCU between fixes, and monitor battery voltage to adjust reporting frequency. Finally, run a 24/72-hour test to validate reliability. If things go wrong, first check the SIM APN and module baud rate. Loose antenna connections are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.